Man facing a murder charge, this in the shooting death of rap icon Tupac Shakur, asking a judge now for a delay in his case yet again.
60-year-old Dwayne Keefe D. Davis working to secure a local attorney before he's arraigned and enters a plea. 8
News Now investigator David Charnes shows us what happened directly from court.
Local attorney Ross Goodman says his soon-to-be client intends to plead not guilty in the murder of Tupac Shakur. But because he isn't his client just yet, the judge delayed this whole thing for 2 weeks.
I'm not going to confirm today, Your Honor, but I'm going to ask the court for 2 weeks.
Defense attorney Ross Goodman says he expects to represent 60-year-old Dwayne Keefe D. Davis in the murder of Tupac Shakur. Davis, who prosecutors say was the ringleader of the 1996 shooting, has publicly said he handed the gunman the weapon.
But obviously the things that jump out is that there's no gun, there's no car, and there's no witnesses from 27 years ago.
Grand jury transcripts the 8 News Now investigators obtained do not mention any witness claiming to see Davis, at least by name. Goodman says that could help for his case.
As everybody here knows, that you have to corroborate those statements. And if you don't have a car, if you don't have a gun, you don't have witnesses to corroborate what Mr. Davis said, under those circumstances, I believe there's an obvious defense to that.
Goodman says he plans to ask Judge Tierra Jones to set bail, adding Davis has lived in his Henderson home for more than 10 years.
I think Mr. Davis should be released on OR. He's not a flight risk. He's not a danger to the community.
Thursday marking the second 2-week delay in this case since Davis's arrest in late September. Jones says they've got to get started.
I'm going to give you 2 weeks, but in 2 weeks we got to get this case moved.
You heard the judge there saying things need to get going in this case. We will be back here in court for this arraignment in 2 weeks. Outside the Regional Justice Center in downtown Las Vegas, I'm David Charnes, 8 News Now.
David, thank you. Right now, Davis remains at the Clark County Detention Center as previous judges denied bail. Bail could be discussed at that hearing in 2 weeks. Goodman also saying Davis was diagnosed with cancer around the time he started publicly talking about the shooting. Now, Goodman said he did not know Davis's current medical status.